Maswera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Apatinopaina kuti ningichitika matima nenkedu yeZimbabwe chingoti kana kareketanga kuya pane ino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingwagara wakasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Apasina kumira mushe more Zimbabwe mubato rezanu-PF is now over for Mnangagwa. The people vari mubato rezanu-PF, the Zviganandas vari kupanika NeNhau recap 3. There is a leaked audio yaburitswa naRutendo Matinyarare, a leaked phone call. Rutendo Matinyarare achitaura na Bishop Mamaponga vachitaura vachiti Matinyarare ngaamire criticize cap 3. Matinyarare ngaamire kuchanisha image Zimbabwe hanzi vaburitswa pachiteerera family yaRutendo Matinyarare zvichiratidza kuti izvo Zvigananda and Mnangagwa are now desperate to the point yekuti they now want to do whatever it takes to stop whoever opposes cap 3. Achinomira mushe mure Zimbabwe Rutendo Matinyarare aburitsa this audio yatinoda kuti mungonzwa achitaura pamusoro penhau iyoyi naBishop Maponga. Zvigananda zvaa desperate mure Zimbabwe. They are doing whatever it takes kuti cap 3 endere mberi, asi hapana kumira mushe. They are facing resistance. Toda kuti mungonzwa audio yatakuigirai muhamadza zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.
Ndakateerera ndikuteerera muda kuti tiite sei akomana.
De-escalate Rutendo.
Okay. What does de-escalate look like, Maponga?
Build your bridges at the bottom, make lawlessness on top, refocus on your bigger career and agenda on the national and African program. Shift your focus. You have a sickness of a honey badger. Once you bite, you don't let go. And even if you are biting, even if you are biting a stick, you are the kind that will die biting a stick only to discover that this thing you are biting is not biting. Remap your agenda for the Africa, the diaspora, the national strategic planning. But once you get yourself consumed on this issue, I'm afraid to tell you, you are making more, and the more credibility you lose over your own country, it's also affecting your bigger brand on the national and international issues. Mark my words.
Okay.
In Botora Congo, we discuss. Botora Cameroon, we discuss. Botora Senegal, we discuss. Fambana, there are 54 articles. Visa holding our tongue in Zimbabwe. You are closer to home, families here, and unfortunately, some of the issues that are coming out are much more personal to you at an individual level than at an organizational level. And I think you are dragging your brand. You are dragging your brand into a smaller hole than the bigger platform that you had prepared. An advice from my brother would be worth nothing.
I don't have a problem with your advice. My issue is the way you came, Uchiti. When I'm going to put you in the mud and then was clean. That is something that I didn't understand.
You know what I can do. I know what you can do.
Yeah, we are not threatening it. We are not threatening each other. I'm trying to make us find each other. Kuti, what in the focus on this?
Article on his own. Please don't ask me anything about Rutendo. If you want to talk about money, he must give you the receipts, what he was paid and what he paid, and etc. He must come out clean. So please don't keep on asking about Rutendo issues. The grown-up man, he's campaigned against his sanctions. He's done what he has done. If there's any verification to be done, please deal with him away from me.
So, okay. What you were to deal in the way you are suggesting. Saga, is that your water or is it still necessary? Cannot it move? I can
de-escalate if you agree. If you disagree, then I might have to pursue my partner. I thought I'd call you first before I pursue. That's how much I respect you.
Yeah, and I don't want us to keep escalating. Do not de-escalate. Like you said.
It's contaminated now. Angola, Angola, the Gilead Dangote, Tanzania, the Rutoro, Kenya, Trump, you just remove your eyes a bit from what you are biting right now. refocus on that and maybe give it a week or two to die off. Then I kept green in Imbomira Shamar. Because one was democracy. One of voter vachu. One kept three in them bed. Whether we agree or not, we are not there on the table where they agree. That's that unity. So we soil ourselves up. And when I hear your name being mentioned in places where people are talking your destruction.
Well, if they're already talking my destruction, then what's the point of us having this discussion?
I don't want any return. Don't preempt. Don't come down Roma or Mama him. Let me see if I can reach out to him. You have said your piece. That's the best you can do. Yeah.
All right, Parbo Josh. Ndagunzwa.
Hey, Nkoma Mtende ndowakandzidza telling the good Zimbabwean story. And nemadzizira akatondiita. Unoda uno achidaro because kune mafaita atinotoziva kuti kana mamwe mafaita anotofuira. Handiti. Ava vanhu vacho vatiri kuziva vanhu vane power Nkoma Mtende. Ndivo vacho vatori panyanga, there is power. They can invest a lot of money in our own destructions. I mean, if it's what it is, for me, what you see, but in the Congo, I'm going to say, I'm not and then I make stories in Africa. Because about two weeks, I'm going to marry issues. It's not that also democracy, like system, if you can wait up, it's not an African thing. So when I think it's already like what we know. Why do you want to sanitize it? Could you not touch it? You know, you got the first scratch. I this is a Bushan. That is Bushan and Bushan. No, no matter how much young Kumarkin. But I was here in Zimbabwe. And the Chinajo also Jamagato Zizo food in Kumarkin. Eh, origin is no one as I got by Zika, origin by Zika for 9 months. But we can't change everything at once, bit by bit. Even you are the one who taught me constructive criticism. But when I come to our over so, there's a take up in this paper. I was made as support and was made as a but Tagawa GMO campaign, and we were never a threat to anyone, especially to the government. But I don't want to have a common and we were never a threat to them. So good one to one of them is under the requirements. But I don't have visa battery. Tangati change it to neutral. So this thing that I'm going to so I'm going to do now with you can. I don't know why you thought.
Vudzijana, what prompted you for us to be having this conversation? Chakonzara kuti tisvike patashika kuti tite conversation ichi.
I received a few messages. When I didn't go around Yakonartent, Yokapomarinatent, Wapomarina, and I discovered to make the perception one of the believe in Pakabadam Komakuda. NeNhau was part of the deal. And it looked like you never came out to say Maponga was paid 40,000 rand. Indagatora 1 point whatever. He also exactly, and you can come out clean once and for all.
But zvakaitika exactly tese tozvaka Maponga kuti takapuwa mari yekuti vanhu vaende kukoti, mari ikabuda ikapuwa munhu kuda kusimba kuti aende kukoti, ina handina kutombotora kana sendi kubva ipapo
kana waidogeza statement chingowauza kuti koti yakatora mari yakati, mukoma wakabhadhara mari yakati, indikatora mari yakati, Maponga ndikampa mari yakati. You clear up that thing. If you don't want to go that route, then sanitize it in the best way you know how. But right now you left me with an egg on my face. Like Mkoma is corrupting me, giving me money, even you got nothing. It is not true. You walked away with 90% of the share.
Don't say I walked away with 90% of the share. The lawyers, that money was for lawyers. Yes. That money was for lawyers. That money was... No, I want us to...
The paymaster.
Wataura inini I've got what I want to say. Tonzwanana. Inini handina kutora mari yakaenda kucourt. Court yakarwa, there is a record, the lawyers and the payments, they are there. The proof that the case was fought in court is there. The proof that Joe Biden responded to the court case is there. In basa rangu ndakaita Joshua. And
and master. Oda kuudza vanhu chivaudza chokwadi mareceipt angu ekoti we900,000. Mukoma paid me 900,000. Maponga paid me. I paid Maponga 30,000 or 10,000, whatever I want to put there, and clarify the issue.
But then once we're clarifying the issue, it's going to bring Mukoma back. I'll explain to you why. The receipts for the courts were 8.9 million. Mukoma kabadara 7.8 million. Anditika. That means that my lawyers are outstanding.
Show him that he was instrumental in fighting his sanctions.
Yes, but I've already spoken about that. I even made that in a video, and I tried week now. Mukoma paid for the legal fees for this fight. But the problem is, if we hash it up again, my lawyers angu arikuta truda mariedu will then wait to hear me say kuti mariavo iri outstanding iri kubhadharwa rini. Do we want to go back there?
Saka ndakupa permission kuti we decide kuti unosanitize sei.
Inini ndikuti once
Mira, in a nicely written statement, clarify what you want to clarify without implicating yourself with your lawyers. Even if we need some figures, put it in writing. As Starlink, you know, the company Start, company we had a legal issue and we received help from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And stop there. Wherever I want to stop without putting figures.
Yeah, the problem is we rehash that, then I have questions of them lawyers calling me, is there still an outstanding amount? And so forth and so on. It's a clumsy issue, clumsy situation. Inini what I'm saying and what I'm agreeing with you. Let us see as we focus on building the African brand. It's still a bit of a wet wound. Beyond what you are.
Your local politics and your local impact does not remain with a black tag on it while you are doing other things. If there's a way in which you can sanitize it, in whatever way that is acceptable to you. You have nothing to say. If there's any man I can respect, it's at least Kuda. He helped me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which if I'm just making noise for the sake of noise. But you have not put a penny towards the sanctions of Zimbabwe. That's a true story and a true statement.
Which is what I said to him yesterday. Video yangu akaiona.
And don't go on as much thing that busy.
Why busy akaita sei iwe nyatsotaurira Joshua
paragraph ongokakanda so very clear toona kuti toka circulate say kuti if you are isolating your friends from your enemies. Mukoma is not your enemy.
And I've never said Mukoma is my enemy at all. But the problem is that when we bring these issues, the relationship Mukoma, the legal fees, the fight against sanctions, Zitara Mukoma inevitably comes in because people want a better explanation, a deeper explanation. You can say Makambo itasei, iwo urikuda extort Mukoma and urikutsamwira nyaya $1 million yausina kupuwa yekuti support a cab. We are trying to get over that chapter. That's the problem.
You are just reporting the issue as it happened without putting figures.
But vanhu vakaenda musocial media vakanoti Rutendo ada kuextorta kudata gurei ndosaka asiri kusapota cab ndosaka asiri kusapota cab 3.
Mukoma, I did not extort any money from him. For all I know is that Mukoma contributed towards us fighting the lawyers and fighting the sanctions. Full stop. Small statement, but it carries weight of truth, which can be verified on both ends of the invoice.
Yeah, all right. Let me see how I'll frame it.
Don't overwrite it. Just something nice and clean.
Bo.
Nofunga Mangozunzira Mega, Zimbabwe. This phone call was leaked by Rutendo Matinyarare, along with a caption Ngakatara Iye Achiti. 1. You are not going to silence me from criticizing CAP 3 and examining the architects who want to use it to catapult themselves into public office by saying, I'm bitter because 2. Kuda and Junior were the ones who looked for me after being tasked by the president to get me to fight sanctions, fix Kuda's damaged image, pay for legal bills to fight SA banks that were implementing sanctions, and compensate me for work done. 3. I did my job, removed sanctions, but he did not complete paying the legal fees and he did not compensate me. So Kuda owes me for the expertise that the president sent him to seek me out for. Demanding such money is not being bitter. It is demanding payment for work done to avoid prescription of the debt, because debt can expire in 3 years if you don't demand it. 4. If all I was good at is speaking English, why would the president need to send his son, Kuda, the CIO, and his ambassador to look for me to do a job they paid over 4.5 million to lobbyists who failed, yet he could have used you or anyone else? 5. There is nothing you have done in your life that beats me removing sanctions by getting the UN to come and measure the impact of sanctions. Us using that report of the UN to go to courts against the US president and getting him, the most powerful man in the world, to respond to our papers in South African courts, which convinced the South African government to champion the fight against US sanctions on Zim, and then getting Congress to contact me and accept to do an impact assessment that I asked them to do, which led them, the same body that asked for sanctions, go through Zidera to write a report asking Biden to remove sanctions, and sanctions were removed. 6. You, Kuda, intelligence, and the government officials were not smart enough to do that, but I did with such simplicity, hence you take it for granted. In other countries, I would have been paid millions and then a yearly royalty till my death, because removing sanctions saves millions of lives and brings in hundreds of billions. Hence the economy immediately jumped to 53 billion after the removal of sanctions. Saka Usanyombe. 7. What I achieved is something the president looked for me specifically to do, and I did it successfully. You and no one in Zimbabwe or anywhere in the world has ever achieved that. So don't tell me about you having more money than me just because you're a criminal who's willing to smuggle gold, launder money, and engage in other organized crimes while I work for my money legitimately. Anyone can do what you do. Hence, everyone can't understand why you, but some of us understand the occult and satanic things that take place in the background that make you get money, while us who do the real work get nothing. 8. On 13 October 2025, Kuda called me to ask me why I was silent about Geza's protest when he was pushing for his last protest. I told him I was not interested in fighting Geza anymore, and he persuaded me to come and get money and a Land Cruiser. He didn't deliver despite the dangers I faced in fighting Geza's sentiments. I left him like that since and never spoke about it. 9. Very much, I said I did not support Cap 3. Kuda sent death threats through a mutual business friend and began to get people to attack me on social media, claiming that I was extorting him. He started the fight on social media, not me. He also got them to say I was a CIA agent and bitter that I was not paid 1 million for supporting Cap 3. 10. This left me with no choice but to defend my integrity, something you know nothing about. So I merely responded to his false allegations and exposed the nature of our relationship. 11. Since then, people from his office and strangers have phoned me asking for a ceasefire. So Kuda or the president owe me for the work that they commissioned me to do. How it is bitterness when I simply reciprocate. How am I trying to negotiate on social media when he started the war on social media? To mapurisa akatwa nawi mre Zimbabwe NeNhau Tendo Matinyarare tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nawi tiudzewo zvamunozifunga mu comment section.